So let's talk a little bit about automation. How do we automate different systems as well as our own system to do things without having somebody actually touch something? That's a big deal. A lot of people don't think about automation. What it does for the customer is provides the ability to activate the system as a whole with a various number of triggers. We can do it with a button that's tied to one of our IP endpoints. We can do it from a computer, a desktop phone, a mobile device. A lot of different triggers to be able to activate a notification. The thing to think about though is what other facility systems do you have that have a role in a specific notification? Maybe it's access control, maybe it's IP cameras, maybe it's fire alarm, right? A number of different systems. Think about, do they have a role in this particular event? The nice thing about Atlas IP endpoints is it's kind of the bridge to be able to connect a facility system into the communication system. And it has the connectivity points built into it. It has relays and contact closures, audio inputs and outputs. It's got a built-in microphone. There's a number of connectivity points on the hardware itself to be able to handshake with a facility system or a third-party system. We've had a lot of scenarios where we have the product deployed where a customer is bringing in a third-party system. It could be something like, let's just say gunshot detection is a good example. When they detect a gunshot detection, they want to be able to have that gunshot system be able to activate many different things. It can activate the active shooter drill, depending on other systems they have in place, IP cameras, access control systems, a number of different things. So again, it makes it very easy to be able to use the system to assist triggering or being triggered by other third-party systems so that all systems are able to do what they need to do during that event. It gives the customer, the end user, peace of mind knowing that we're removing human interaction out of it. People that in exposed to a real event have a tendency to lose control. They panic, they forget how to use the system. So it's important to be able to have a system in place to where you can activate simply a specific notification, and then everything else handshakes and then runs as they're intended to during that event.